Hi, my name is Latoinette. Welcome to my channel. I recently bought KitchenAid's variable speed hand blender so I can make things like homemade mayonnaise and salad dressing. First of all, it comes with an instruction manual. It also comes with a cup and a lid, and this thing that's supposed to protect your dishes when you put the blender in them. This is the actual blender attachment. And this is the base. This is everything that comes in the box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope your day has been and will continue to be as wonderful as you are. Stay amazing. Bye!